In this video I'll show you how to buy a theme from ThemeForest. If you find this video useful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. So all you need to do is to go to themeforest.net, and here you can see you can find WordPress themes, e-commerce templates, site templates, blogging, marketing templates, and so many. So let's say you want a premium theme, WordPress premium theme, okay? Just press new or best sellers, whatever you want. You can check all the themes here, press in any theme. You can see the reviews, you can read about this theme. You can see the comments, what people said about this theme. The price is here, and you can find all the information here about this theme. Also, what you can do is to go here live preview, and you can press try the free demo, press again, and here you can see how you can build your website with this theme. Also, again I go to live preview. You can see all the stuff here, like websites. See how many pre-built websites you have. Let's say this one. So you can do a website look like that. Or maybe like that. So you can check everything. After you buy, you can go up here, go to downloads, and in my case I say this is my theme, newspaper, download, and you can download all the files. Now just extract this theme, so you have your theme here, everything here. You can see this document you need to upload in your WordPress site. You have also your plugins, you can upload these plugins. I think if you find this video, you know how to install in your WordPress. If you need a tutorial for that, don't forget to comment below. If the theme requests from you to insert the activation code, you go back to ThemeForest, press again download, and you can find here license certificate, and here you have your code. So now you know how to download a theme from ThemeForest, how to buy. Good luck, and I see you in the next videos.